So let's design this share micro interaction in Figma. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to do, you grab your frame, then it's going to be 230 by 57. So after that, we go back. Let's grab our text icon and type share. That's okay. 26. That's the font size. And scroll down. I'm going to now get my icon. So I'm using Iconify. Then let me type share to get a share icon that I love, that I want. We have many here, but I'm just going to go with this one. Let me drag it out. Then change the color, grab it back. After grabbing it back, then I'm going to select the two, then I'm going to frame it, then check it into my first frame. Then let's change the color to deep blue, kind of. Close it, then make sure it's at the center. Then you grab your first frame, then you round the corner, give it 100. So we are good like this. Now let's move to the next step. Select the whole thing, then frame selection again. Then let's see. So we have the first frame and another frame inside it. Now the first frame, let's give it a color. So we'll be using gradients, dark blue. Then the other end will be something like light blue. So like this. So this is what I want. Let me drag it a bit. So that's okay. We are good to go. Let's round the corner. Then give it a stroke. So the stroke to, let's change it to center. Change the stroke to center, then 2.5 will be fine. Then let's use gradients, down, up. So just follow what I'm doing, right? You're going to get it, and it's very, very simple. Just follow through. Give the gradients dark blue, and this first one should be something like light blue. Yeah. Let me adjust this. Okay. Now these are my icons, as you can see. Let me check it in. So it's inside the first frame. Then I will have to activate the second frame with the share, drag it to the left, then drag the icons to the right. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to group the two, the share frame and the icons. I'm going to group it together, then drag my my share frame to where I want it to end when I do the animation. Then make sure that my icons are at the center of the first main frame. So drag it back, then select the first frame, then click contents. So that's it. Then let's copy this first frame. Let's duplicate this frame rather. We duplicate, then drag it down. Then we are going to move the first share frame with the group icon. So you move it to the edge. Good. So this is how I want it to look once the animation is being done. So let me just position it very well. Then drag this to the center. We are good to go. Now, what we are going to do now is to do our prototype. Select the first frame, change it to state 0, then this one to state 1, so that we know the difference. Then select the state 0, then animate, drag it down. We are going to use while hovering, then smart animate, gen 2 800 milliseconds. So we are good to go. So you select the two, the state 0 and state 1, and we are going to create a component set. Then let's rename it to share 1. So let me change it to share A, because I've done something like that before. Share A, then go to our assets, type for share A. Then we have our screen already there. Just drag your share A into your design. So that's what we have. You make sure it's at the center, then you play your prototype. So this is what you have for the first share button. Cool, right? Now let's go to the second one. So the second one, you drag your frame, drag your frame, then you give it your size that you want, depending on what you want, but this is what I want. Then this is my first frame. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to round the corner. Let's do like 20, 25 is cool. Then drag it up. Then the next thing we are going to do, you just copy our share frame, put it inside it. Then we are going to change the color. Let's change the color to something not dark. Okay, and reduce it. You press K to reduce, because if you drag it like that, it's not going to work. Then you frame it. Then let's change the frame to this. You frame your share, then you set up this width and height. So this is what we have. Let's centralize our share in the new frame, and you go to stroke, give it a stroke. That's the main frame. Give it a stroke, and let's do this real quick. Center, and let's do 2.5. I would prefer 2. Okay, yeah, I'm good with this. Let's reduce it to 70. Then the inner frame, we are going to select effect. Just follow what I'm doing, right? Let me blur it to a certain extent. The blur 17, close, 15 radius. Then let's add a stroke. We are going for something very, very light. So select something very, very light and close it. So this is what we have. So let's copy our share icons. We drag it down, copy it, and now we want to do it. Then we are going to select the first frame. You select the first frame, then you drag your icons into the first frame. Notice above the share frame. So we are going to uncheck. We are going to add the share frame. Then let's change the color of our icon. Gradient. Let me use dark blue for the first one. Then the second light blue. Then it's going to be more lighter. Then we are good. Let's reduce it. Reduce your icons. Make sure it's at the center. Then unhide the share frame. Then you have to move the share frame above the icons. So this is what we have. So that's it. Now you duplicate, drag down. You name this to state 0 and the second one to state 1. Now you drag this share frame, drag it up like this. Then you increase the icon. Increase the icon and make sure they are at the center. Increase the icon and make sure they are at the center. So drag this down a bit. Now let's prototype. So we are going to use the same setting while hovering. Smart Animate Gen 2 800. Then you select the 2. You create the component set. Share B. Then go to your assets. Drag your share B. I don't like the outline. The outline is sharp of the first frame. Let me change the outline of the first frame. It's too sharp. Let me reduce it to 25. I think it's good like that. Now you are good to go. That's the first one. This is the second one. You like it. Now let's move to the third one. So for the third one, you're going to draw your frame. Draw your frame, give it to 30 by 57. That's the first settings we use. So 50 by 57. Drag it up. So that's. Then you're going to change the color. That's our first frame. We are going to use gradient, a dark blue and a light blue. close it around the edges. Okay, then copy your share text and icon, paste it inside, and we're going to change the color to white. Change the color to white, then select the whole frame, then frame it again. That means that we have a frame inside the frame. Select it. Then let's see, we have a frame of the share icon and the text inside another frame. Let's hide it. Then the main frame, we are going to give it the color white, then around the edges, close it, and let's give it a stroke. Let's give it a stroke. This is what it's going to look like. Let me change this color, center, then this will be 2.5. The first color is going to be the dark blue, and the second color is going to be the light blue. And I think we are good to go. Select the first one, then let's copy our icon group, then paste it inside. Make sure it's at the center. Then let's change the color to deep blue. We are not using gradient this time around. Deep blue, then select the frame and unhide, then move the share frame up, then select the first frame. So this is what we have. Now we are going to reframe again. So meaning that we have 3 frames now. So now duplicate. That's the main frame, the second frame, then the third frame. Now we have to reduce the share frame. Reduce it, put it at the center, then move it up. Move it up. Then select the icon, move it down a bit. So this is what you're gonna do now. You have to select the first one. Let me reduce the first icon. Let me reduce it so that there is going to be an effect. Move this down. Rename this one to, let's do a prototype. So we are going to use the same settings while hovering, matte animate, gen 2. Select it to, then create a component set. Rename it share C, and let's go to our assets, then drag it to your design, and let's play our prototype. Make sure it's at the center. Let's play our prototype and see. But that's not what I want to achieve. There's something is missing. Let me copy out one of these, move it down, delete this too. Now let's examine the whole frame. Let's examine the whole frame. Detach instance. Let me rename this to state O. Now we have first frame, second frame, third frame. This frame is for the share. Then I'm going to move it above the whole frame, inside the first frame. That's what I'm going to do. And I think that should solve the whole issue. State 1, and let's prototype. Let's reduce this, then we prototype. Reduce, move it up. Let me increase it a bit, it's too small. Increase it a bit and make sure it's at the center. Then select the share icons, increase it, make sure it's at the center, and then now let's prototype. Drag it down, same settings while hovering. Then select the 2 and create the component set. Share C, and then we are going to copy our asset now into our design. Then we play our prototype. So that's the first one, second one, and that's the third one. This is what I want. You love it. Just make sure you like and follow for more. Thank you.